Nepal on Monday celebrated the sibling festival of Bhai Tika with less fanfare and gaiety due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which is increasing the toll in the Himalayan nation. On the occasion of Bhai Tika, sisters throughout the nation offered Tika to their brothers, wishing them happiness, long life and prosperity. Brothers in return pledged to protect their sisters from all kinds of adversities.
आफन्तजनहरू सबै रेस्पेक्टेड सबै व्यक्तित्वहरूसँग छौं। समग्रमा आज चाहिँ हामीले दिदीको हातबाट टीका लगाई एउटा सुख स्वास्थ्य समृद्धि दीर्घायु उल्लासमय एउटा सुख शान्तिको कामना सहित
Bhai Tika, which is one of the 5 days of Tihar or Diwali, places brothers and sisters on center for wishing and improving relations between them. On this day, brothers are seated at a specially anointed place around which a trail of mustard oil and sacred water is drawn, which is meant to be the line which Yama, Lord of Death, is believed would not be able to cross. After securing brothers from Yama, sisters then offer brothers garlands of marigold, dubo and makhamali along with 7 colored tika on the foreheads, which has its own significance. Along with brothers, sisters are treated with variety of sweets, walnuts, spices and sell roti, oil-cooked bread made of rice flour. Following the tradition, which is deep-rooted in Nepali society, those who do not have their own brothers and sisters receive tika from others whom they regard as brothers and sisters. This year, brothers who do not have sisters thronged the Bal Gopaleshwar temple in the middle of Rani Pokri or the Queen's Pond and received tika there.
This Rani Pokhari is famous for people who do not have sisters, who do not have brothers and who do not have sisters. They visit here to put tika so they can share love to each other. That is the main reason for visiting Rani Pokhari.
Bhai Tika is generally marked on the second lunar day of Shukla Paksha, which is believed to further strengthen the bond between brothers and sisters. This year, the festival has been marked due to COVID-19 pandemic.